Hello everyone, this is Candice van Wyk. So today I am checking in from a different location or a different venue in terms of our live reflections talk. But, I just thought it appropriate, not to delay our talk for today, but to just, continue. So it's good to be checking in with you. I'm checking in from my car, as you can see. I'm actually on my way to pick up my little niece. I just thought that, it's appropriate just for me to just quickly have my reflections talk with you because I've been looking forward to today's session. And today I am going to be talking about taking back your power. And before I get into what I just want to share with you today and what I have on my heart, I also just want to check in and just share with you. I'm sure those of you who have been following my skincare journey, I'm sure you are starting to see really a massive difference as far as that is concerned. So today I decided to do some errands without putting on any makeup. I just cleansed my skin and of course did my normal moisturizing routine, but of course no makeup. And I must say, I'm really very impressed with my products. They're really working very well. I can definitely see that, the pigmentation is looking so much lighter around my upper cheeks, and the texture of my skin is just looking healthier and feeling healthier. So it's, it's so good to also have products that one can use that just also helps us to look good and feel good. So it's awesome to be, walking around and not having to put on any makeup, to cover some of those spots that I had there. But anyway, I think, I just wanted to share that with you. So just to get into today's talk. So today I really want to talk to you about, taking back your power. And of course, our reflections theme for September is taking action. And I'm sure some of you have seen our post that we've been sharing with you, over the last couple of days as far as taking action is concerned. But I really want to encourage each and every one of you, wherever you find yourself today, it's important to know that we have the power. The power lies within us. So we have the power to take back what belongs to us and what we rightly deserve, as entrepreneurs. And for those of you who've been feeling discouraged maybe over the last couple of months or weeks or days, because of what has happened as a result of COVID-19, I've spoken to so many people over the last while, and many of them have shared with me, that this is really a difficult time for all of them, in terms of either they've lost their income, they've had to take voluntary retrenchments, or they have lost their jobs, or their businesses are not doing that great, or whatever the reason is. But they're finding themselves a little bit in a situation where they're feeling a little bit down and they're feeling discouraged. And some, to my amazement, are also feeling very positive, and that's really, that's how it should be. And that's what I want to encourage all of you today, is that, I'm sure you've heard this saying before, that it's not our fault when we get pushed into the water, but it is our fault if we stay in the water. So I know life happens, and sometimes terrible things happen in life, and, things that we don't really expect, and maybe sometimes at the wrong time. But I want you to use this opportunity, if you've been affected in this way for whatever reason, I want you to see this as a positive. God can take any situation and turn it around for our good. And sometimes what seems to be a closed door is actually a good thing, because if that door didn't close, the other door will not open. So just remember that. And I've seen it in my personal life, my personal journey. I've seen that when one door closes, God always opens another door. So just remember that it doesn't matter where you find yourself today. I don't know if who your source of strength is, but for those of you who know me, you know that I'm very dependent on my Lord and my Savior, Jesus Christ. And of course, it's so important for me to be rooted and grounded, in my relationship with Him and in His Word, and what the Word says about my circumstances, about my future, about my family, about my finances. So that's really my frame of reference, and that's where I find my strength from. And I just want to encourage all of you out there, find your strength, reach deep within yourself and ask yourself, why am I feeling the way I'm feeling? Why am I negative? Why am I discouraged? And I think once you understand, why you're feeling the way you're feeling, then I think it's important to start dealing with that particular situation. But really, now it's not the time for us to be discouraged, and now it's not the time for us to, just become laid back and not take action. It's important for us to take action and move our goals forward. So if you want to succeed in life, if you want to really achieve your business goals and your property goals, your financial goals, make sure that, you take action. So thank you for those of you who've joined and connected with me. And if you do have any comments, even if you listen to this later on, if you have any comments, or any questions, share with me. So tell me, where do you feel you are in terms of your journey? Do you feel like you're on top of the world and things are going well and you're really enjoying this time of your life? Or do you feel like you've taken a little bit of a dip, as far as your positivity is concerned, as far as your journey is concerned? So just share with me and tell me where you are in your journey. And of course, I would be happy just to engage with you as far as that is concerned. But really, I just wanted to share with you that it's important for you not to be discouraged. Now is the time for you really to think outside of the box, to become more creative, more innovative, leverage, the relationships that you have around you, find win-win situations with relationships around you and look for new opportunities. Now is the time definitely for us to take action and to move our goals forward. So yes, if you're going through a little bit of a situation, deal with it. Understand why you're going through with it and start working through it, deal with it. But of course, don't stay in that state of discouragement and of feeling down and negative. Surround yourself with positive people. That's one way of getting out of that situation. Surround yourself with positive people. Also start reading positive material or listening to positive video material, information that can help you to really move your goals forward. So wherever you find yourself today, use what is at your disposal, all the positive material. There's so much of information on the internet, YouTube videos that you are able to listen to and watch. You can even go and listen to some of our reflections videos that we've done in the past, where I've interviewed some awesome personalities and just how they've been able to succeed in the areas of property and business, and also be in a position to successfully move their goals forward. So, tap into some of our YouTube videos or listen to other YouTube videos that are available. But I just want to share with you that if you are feeling discouraged, if you are feeling down today, the best place to start is really, to look, to understand where you are, know why you're feeling that way, and to start dealing with those emotions. And then of course start finding positive material that you can read, that you can meditate on, master classes that can maybe upskill you and help you to further develop yourself in the areas where you need some more assistance at this time. So we should do something that can help us to move forward. So let's not just stay discouraged and overwhelmed by what's happening around us, but let's remember that we have a dream in our hearts that needs to be pursued, and God has really purposed us for a time such as this. So I really do believe that there's greatness within each and every one of you, and I know that God has got an amazing future for each and every one of you. So be encouraged, and like I said, please reach out to me if you just want someone just to connect with. Share with me your comments, what you are doing to overcome some of your challenges at this time, and let's be an encouragement for one another, and let's be a light in this dark world today. So thanks for checking in with me. It's good connecting with you. So this is my first Facebook Live that I'm actually doing. I normally do, the Zoom Live. So it's really interesting to be able to do a Facebook Live today. But it's good to be checking in with you. And, thank you for your time. And, of course, I'll be happy to chat with you later. Oh, awesome. So I have a comment here. Can you mentor me? I need a it's Patisa. Thank you for reaching out to me. It's lovely hearing from you. Please do inbox me your details. So inbox me your email address and your contact number, and let's have a chat and understand where you are on your journey. I would be happy, to work with you and see how I'm able to help you move your goals forward. So definitely please do inbox me, send me your contact number and your email address, and then I'll be happy to reach out to you. So for those of you who have any questions or maybe any comments, with regards to, taking back our power and where you find yourself at this time, share with me, where are you in terms of your journey, and I think it would be very interesting to hear from you as well. So please do connect with me. I'm going to be going offline shortly, but leave your comments and leave your questions, and I would be happy to connect with you later on. But awesome checking in with you, everyone. Have a blessed day, and thank you for joining me on my live reflections from my vehicle today. Definitely a different scene, but I think a different scene is good every now and again. So thank you for connecting with me, and we'll catch up soon. And that's a pleasure, Patisa. So I look forward to receiving your details then on my inbox, and then we can take it from there. Awesome, everyone. God bless you. Keep well.